I had 384 grams of Valrona's Raspberry Inspiration left over, so I divided it into 3 and then decided to recipe test ganache, half the cream, full cream, and then double the cream. My prediction is that the half the cream is not going to work because in my prior videos I've already tested this particular chocolate out and I know that it's full of additional fat. So there's just not enough volume of water in the cream for the fat globules to spread out. So when they can't spread out, they're gonna exit it. And when they exit it, you get a broken ganache. And that's exactly what happened. At this time, I kind of saw signs of it, but you'll see what happens tomorrow. Equal the cream is really, really nice. In fact, I thought that it was my best. I really liked the flavor and there was a lot of raspberry tartness. Now you'd think with high fat and with a chocolate that you wouldn't get a lot of raspberry flavor, but they use freeze-dried raspberry powder and it is as tart as a lemon curd. This is as tart as a lemon curd. So then I went ahead with the double cream, wondering what's going to happen. Well, I knew that it was going to be a really nice, flavorful, easy to make ganache, but I wasn't quite sure if it would have the consistency I needed for making it into a curd or pretending that it was a raspberry curd. So the equal amounts of cream was really nice here, and this one's really nice, but I would say that's too runny to put over a granola parfait. And this is just after it sat for a little while, as it was starting to thicken up, somewhat unevenly, and I could have covered it with plastic to keep the top from doing this. But here's the half cream. You can tell it's all broken, grainy, literally does not taste good, even if you microwave it. Equal the cream tasted nice, but it ended up being a little too thick to mimic a curd. So the winner was the double the cream. It made it the perfect consistency. So what I would do next time is make a tart shell, double the cream to the Valrhona Raspberry Inspiration, make the ganache, and before it sets up, pour it directly into the tart shell. It's like a lemon or a pastry cream tart, and then put some fruit on top of it. But meanwhile, back at the ranch, I'm just gonna throw some over this lovely Bulgarian yogurt. And I made granola last week, so there it is. Just like Sparrow Bakery, except I didn't have Marionberry jam. It looked pretty, and I love it in the jar. So, did I invent something new? No. Am I repurposing something and comparing it to something I love? Absolutely, and you should too.